Hi folks, Russ Scala here with Scala Precision Health. What we want to do today is sort of explain the difference between synthetic nutrients and functional food. When I traveled to the best research labs in 1996 and we were doing advanced nutritional testing on the outliers, police officers, firefighters, war vets, professional athletes, we kind of knew 20 years ago that everybody is biochemically unique and everybody needs a customized nutritional program based on their own unique deficiencies. And that's a lot for somebody to get their head around. But if you think about it for a second, folks, synthetic nutrients don't have the cofactors that real food has. Okay, synthetic nutrients is a billion-dollar industry run by the pharmaceutical industries. I'm not a conspiracy theorist. I just know that our body is trained and understands how to pull nutrients out of real food, okay, than it does synthetic nutrients. And that's what this poster sort of speaks to. Customizing your nutritional supplementation, your vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. Understanding that when we do essential fatty acid analysis, some of the women that we tested were omega-3 dominant. They were taking in, one woman we tested was eating enough omega-3s. It was equal to eating like 4 salmon a week. So my point to this story is there's a lot of nutrients out there with a lot of slick marketing. You can't just take one individual supplement, folks. You've got to treat the system. And we look at mitochondrial function. We look at your gut-brain connection. Your intestinal tract is a second brain. If you're not pulling nutrients out of food, you're going to mine those nutrients from your own tissue. So again, we got to clean the chalkboard in your head. Understand that if you had a plate of synthetic nutrients and a plate of real food, what's going to work better for you? Well, this is the new research. A lot of our clients, before they come to Scala Precision Health, they're spending $150 to $400 a month on vitamins. And these vitamins are not working because when we test them with our advanced nutritional analysis, they still have nutrient deficiencies. So again, folks, not a conspiracy theorist out here. I just want you to know we're all biochemically unique. We want to test the microbiome. We want to test the intestinal tract because that's how you pull nutrients out of real food. And again, I'll say this one more time. Every day we need 21 minerals, 13 vitamins, 8 amino acids from protein, and 2 essential fats. If you don't pull that out of real food, if your intestinal tract isn't working properly, you're going to mine those nutrients out of your own tissue. Okay? Think about that, folks. See us at Scala Precision Health and my book, American Biohacker, and the Russ Scala YouTube channel. Thanks for listening.